His reaction is really the story, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, now at 5:30, that is not your captain speaking. Passengers react to some unusual sounds over the intercom aboard a flight out of LAX. Travelers are used, of course, to the captain talking about flight time or buckling up. But this story is like nothing you've ever heard.
And again, the guy there, he's actually an actor, I understand.
Oh.
He's fantastic. You can't help but laugh, right? We're talking about moans and groans and grunts. CBS 2's Jeff Nguyen is live at LAX with more on this mysterious sound. At least one passenger recorded on his cell phone. And we're enjoying it, Jeff.
Yeah, certainly. He's very animated, isn't he? So, this video, this viral video has been viewed on social media more than 2 million times. And I gotta tell you, it's really tough to make out what the sounds even were. So let's go ahead and have you listen to them for yourself.
Emerson Collins recorded a series of odd noises on an American Airlines flight earlier this month as he traveled from LAX to Dallas for a writers' festival.
Someone on this flight seems to have broken into the intercom system.
The actor-producer says the noises went over the PA system several times before takeoff, and they continued for about 30 minutes in flight.
At the beginning, it sounded like maybe gastrointestinal distress, then like sort of moany, and then sort of vomity.
American Airlines sent a statement that read in part, our maintenance team thoroughly inspected the aircraft and the PA system and determined the sounds were caused by a mechanical issue.
What do you make of what they have to say?
I'm afraid that's incorrect.
Ross Amer is a retired airline pilot.
But this was not a malfunction from what you and I heard. I would call that a malfeasance. Someone hacked into.
The thing to do is try and mitigate that.
During the flight, the pilot got on the PA to reassure passengers.
The fact that the pilot announced quickly that there was no danger from whatever was happening, that all of the flight systems were fine. I lived overseas in high school. I've traveled significantly. I trust our airline industry safety standards. So I wasn't worried.
If someone can hack into the PA system, could they potentially hack into the controls?
It is possible, yeah, if someone can do this, although not probable.
Amer says the cockpit has the ability to override the PA system. As for Collins, he's surprised his video has gone viral.
I do think their explanation logically makes sense. It is a closed system from what I understand, but it's certainly an interesting investigation.
And American Airlines says that the PA systems on board its aircraft are hardline and they cannot be accessed remotely. Pat and Jeff, we'll send it back to you.
Good explanation, Jeff. Thank you so much for doing that story for us tonight.